Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your maths class. Today we will learn how to write the counting 1 to 20. आज हम 1 से लेके 20 तक counting करेंगे. So bring your notebooks and bring your pencils. Let's start with the counting. My dear parents, first of all, put the date and day on the top of the page and give the heading 1 to 20 like this. Put one dot over here and two dots, leaving two boxes over here. So, my dear students, let's start the counting 1 to 20. आपको 1 to 10 तक counting आती है ना आप सबको? Yes, very smart students you all are. So, अब पहले हम 1 से लेके 10 तक counting लिखेंगे और सेकंड ये वाले डॉट्स पे we will write counting 11 to 20. So, let's start. So, my dear students, ये आपको डॉट है ना, यहाँ पे मम्मा ने डॉट लगाया है. यहाँ पे हम डॉट से स्टार्ट करेंगे from 1. So, make a standing line like this. Touch the bottom line. This is 1. Now we will write 2, make a curve and make a sleeping line. This is 2. What comes after 2? 3. Make a sleeping line, slanting line and a curve. This is 3. Now we will write 4. Make a slanting line, make a sleeping line and make a small standing line like this. This is 4. 5. Count with me. Make a sleeping line, make a slanting line and make a curve. 5. What comes after 5? 6. Make a curve and make a circle like this. This is 6. 7. Make a sleeping line, make a slanting line and make a small sleeping line. 7. 8. Make a S and make 8. Now we will write 9. 9. And हम 10 कहाँ पे लिखते हैं? Yes, 1 over here. Make a standing line and make a circle touching the bottom line. This is 1, 0, 10. अब हमने 10 तक counting लिख ली. Now we will do the counting from 11. अब हम यहाँ से 11 की counting start करेंगे. Leaving the box. Speak with me. 1, 1, 11. 1. Make a standing line like this and make a curve. 1, 2, 12. Make a curve and a sleeping line. This is 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Now what comes after 12? 1, 3, 13. Yes. 1, 3. 1, 3, 13. Now 1, 4, 14. Speak after me. 1, 4. Make a slanting line, sleeping line and small standing line. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. What comes after 14? 15. 1, 5. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. Yes. You have to remember, my dear students, आपने ये bottom line को touch करके लिखना है, okay? Now, what comes after 16? 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. What comes after 17? 1, 8, 18. What comes after 18? 1, 9. Make a standing line over here. 1, 9, 19. And what comes after 19? Yes, 2. Make a curve, make a sleeping line and make a circle. 2, 0, 20. So my dear students, let us revise it once again. You all speak with me. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. And what comes after 10? 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. And 2, 0, 20. So my dear students, you have to write the counting 1 to 20 on your notebooks like this in a very neat and good handwriting. Okay? Do the work. Stay safe and have a nice day.